CIVIC, tutorial for removing and installing the visor. Rest one side of the helmet on a surface that will not scratch it. Release the visor from its anchorage in the mechanism attached to the helmet. Turn the centerpiece to release the visor anchor. Turn the helmet and release the other part of the visor. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Turn the centerpiece to release the visor anchor. Lift the visor to position it. Remove the centerpiece. The visor is now separated from the helmet. To assemble the visor, position the visor by fitting the central end into place. Position the visor in its anchor spaces. Turn the helmet and repeat the same operation on the other side. Position the visor by fitting the central end into place. Position the centerpiece in its spaces. Turn the centerpiece to secure the visor anchor. Turn the helmet and repeat the same operation on the other side. Position the centerpiece in its spaces. Turn the centerpiece to secure the visor anchor. The visor is now assembled.